Friends, recently I have created one YouTube video regarding C3Pay account registration, C3Pay app registration and card activation. And in this video, I have received one comment. The comment says, "Sir, secret code it's not working. Try again, how to on?" The basic problem is that whenever we receive a new C3P card, like say your card is blocked and you have ordered a new C3P card and which you have received this card, okay? So once you receive this card, you need to reactivate it along with the application that you already have it, providing all the details of this card. And while doing this, the C3P card security code or the CVV number which is in the backside of the card, it shows error or it is not working. In this, what you have to do, it is very simple. I'll tell you. Once you come to the application, what you have to do, you will just need to click on forget password. When you click on forget password, you need to provide your existing mobile number, and then this application will ask the new details of the card that you will be having, like say the 16-digit code, the security code and expiry date. Okay, the 3-digit code that is available is your security code, or you can say CVV number. Once you follow the process and you reset your password, you just need to come to the same page and log in with the newly created password, and in this way your problem will be solved. So let's just answer the comment that I have received in my video. The comment says, "Sir, secret code it's not working. Try again, how to on?" So we'll just and we'll come to the reply section. I have already made the reply. I'll just read it out what I have written here. I have written, if you are getting the security code error, first make sure you are entering the 3-digit CVV correctly on the back of your C3P card. If it still doesn't work, go to the C3P login page and tap forget password. Complete the password reset by entering 16-digit card number, expiry date and CVV. After resetting your password, log in with the new password. This usually fixes the security code issue, especially for newly activated or replacement card. And in this way, if you also face the same problem that if you are entering the CVV number or the security code, it shows error, you just need to tap on forget password and follow the process. In this way, the problem that you are facing will be solved out. I hope you like the video. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.